Hi everybody, guess what? Today is Tuesday, May 8th. Today is the 8th day of Craft Every Day in May. And it is hosted by Jan's Crazy Life. I'm going to link below everybody that's part of this challenge. But I'm also in a embellishment swap with Sabrina's page, Sabrina the Bargain Shopper, and we had to make 3 embellishments, 3 teeny tiny embellishments. Well, this is my version of teeny tiny. I feel like this was the never-ending project between thinking about things, the concept, and then actually making them come to life. I really struggled. It knocked me on my butt. So this is what I came up with. This is it. So I made the card for it to sit on. And then this is a rosette, and I stamped out thank you. This is one of these paper clips, and I put everything on dimensions and then stamped out to do. And then this is just another cute embellishment that says best wishes. And I kind of made it like a blingy thing. Then I took one of the cupcake liners that is like almost like shiny foil. It's almost like a foil. And I flattened that down like I normally do. And I printed this out on my Cricut. And then I made these for everybody. And what I did was I put them up on these really cute little, I'm talking itsy bitsy foam dots, so that if they want, they can take it off and reuse it. So the swap was I had to make 3. And then I had to make 3 sets of that. So there's 1, 2, 3. Sabrina, I'm sure you're going to catch this video. So there's actually 1 for you. I am now creating, anything I create, I'm creating 1 for myself. Yep, this is mine. And then, here's that sneaky giveaway part. Guess who this is going to? Yepper, that is going inside this bag. Here's your sneakiness. Girls, this is that giveaway. This is the latest giveaway. Go find that video. There's a sneaky giveaway going on. So I'm going to stick this inside of this giveaway. Yepper. Oh, and it fit perfectly. Can't tell you what else is in there. I'll give you a sneak peek. Oh, there it is, sneak peek. All right, so far, whatever's in here and this little cute case, I'm telling you, this case is so darn cute. This is the giveaway, so go look for that video. But, so this is what's going to Sabrina. I'd like to get it in the mail today if she would send me her address. Sabrina, send me your address. All right, then we were supposed to include a $1 gift from the Dollar Tree. So inside my box, because I love to make boxes, is the $1 gift. And I got this. Isn't that cute? Faith, Hope, Love. So this is the $1 gift for whomever gets it. Inside the cute little box that I created. Isn't that cute? And that's embossed. And then I wanted to put something in there for Katie. So this is, I'm going to explain this. I'm going to have just like a quick little, I don't know how this video is going to go. Just stay tuned because there might be a, forget it. It's going to be a short video. This is something that Sparkling Char taught me. All right. So if you go to Staples or Office Max or whomever, you could take a notepad and ask them, oh, these are all the uppers, to cut them in half. Woo! As I drop it. The people that cut mine didn't know how to use the cutter, so my composition books are not the same size. See how they did that? But I was like, you know what? It really doesn't matter. If I give them at gifts, nobody's going to know that they're not the right size. So you can go to those places and have your composition book cut in half. I forget what Shaw used hers for. I think she used hers for, I want to say recipes. I think that's what she used it for. So I wanted to make something for Katie. So I added some stickers, and then I printed this out on my Cricut. And look at how cute, right? Look at how that sparkles. And then I created a cute little pocket. I don't have anything to stick in there. See, I created a little pocket for her to put something in. And then she could draw, color, write, whatever she likes. And I just decorated it. And of course I had to put that on there. Made with love. And then she loves unicorns, so I had gotten these in a 6-pack. So I'm giving her 3, and then I'm giving her 3 that I made. Of course, I have to include Disney. She's a little girl. She's got to love Disney. So this is for Katie. This is Katie, and then I decided to add some of the sticker hearts in it also for her. So this is, like I said, the never-ending craft. I feel like this craft took me days. And I am not kidding you when I tell you I have been up since 6 o'clock this morning, and it's now 11:30 my time. Yes, I took breaks, cleaned my house, vacuumed my house. I want to get this video starting to upload. I don't know how long it's going to take. And then I'm going outside to stain my deck. My husband's out metal detecting. I have the house to myself, and that's when I get things done. So anyways, this is my project share. Hope she loves this. This is the $1 gift, and then this is the swap. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And please go check out everybody's channel below if you get a chance. Some great crafters out there. All right, everybody. Have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.